Okay, in this lesson, we're going to look at bell sleeves. Now, there are several variations of bell sleeves. This one that I'm going to show you, I think it's a really beautiful design. I hope you like it. Let's do it. So, what if you wanted to make something like this? Okay, well, here we go. I'm going to start with the basic sleeve, the straight sleeve, and by now you know the routine. You trace your slope onto another piece of paper, which I've done already. Here it is, and I have my grain lines. In this case, we definitely need to know where the elbow level is, so make sure you mark your elbow level. Now, if you look at this picture, this image, you notice the bottom half of the sleeve. It almost looks like a little miniature circle skirt, doesn't it? So I'm going to leave the top portion as is. I'm not going to touch it because it's fine the way it is. I'm going to cut on the elbow line, on the elbow level, and I'm going to slash and spread the bottom half of the sleeve. Okay, so I've created some slash lines in the bottom section of the sleeve. Next, I'm going to cut on the elbow line and separate these two pieces. And next, I'm going to slash and spread the pattern, the bottom half of the sleeve, like this. So I'm slashing on these lines, just leaving a little bit of paper attached at the top section right here. So they're slashing, and one more time. And I'm going to slash and spread this portion right here. And I'm going to create sort of a circular shape, because that's what the design of the sleeve is telling me. And again, how much of a sweep at the bottom, it's really up to you. You know, you will be the judge of that. And now, as usual, I'm going to take another piece of paper, place it underneath, which will give me the bottom half of the sleeve. Okay, so I've slashed and spread this portion of the sleeve, and now just a matter of reshaping and re-blending these curves right here at the elbow level and at the bottom. Okay, like that. And now it's just a matter of cutting the pattern out. Okay, there we have it. And then this gets sewn back onto the elbow level. And this gets sewn to become your little skirt. Okay, so there you have it.